Bullied by the times. This one's okay. I'll remove the yellow wing from the other 3. There's still some left here, but mostly clean now. Final Fantasy VI. Chrono Trigger. In between them quietly came out. Buried under big name titles, labeled a quirky B-grade RPG. In 2022 the remake went global. Maybe the times finally caught up, now it's seen as a classic RPG. Congrats! Since we have 4, let's compare them all, opening it up. These 2 are the same. This one's a different color, 3 different colors. I like this one. These 2 are identical. Same parts here too. This area is all sharp. This one is Samsung. Different battery. This one's Panasonic. The rest are all Maxell. Battery levels in original state, let's compare. 3.09, 3.07, 3.06, 3.06. If you play now, saves might become unstable. All need to be replaced, a bit worn out, so replacing. N64 cartridges break quickly after maintenance. Magic powder.
Oh, give more tea.
It pops right out. It dropped. New battery. Old battery. Zombie body fluid. Tears of Gen Z. 1 drop, 2 drops. Cure it with UV light. Reinforced coating. Magic solution. Lubricates and prevents rust.
Mercury.
1994. Silicone coating. Slows down yellowing. To the future.
Perfect body.